Welcome. Today, we'll be looking at Mplifyr, an online reward and loyalty platform. This video is brought to you by the TechnologyAdvice Smart Advisor tool, which lets you compare 80 top gamification companies in under 2 minutes. Mplifyr is a cloud-based platform where companies can build loyalty programs and reward customers with so-called universal points for doing things like checking in at a store, sharing social updates, etc. One of the interesting features about Mplifyr is that they allow users to redeem their points for rewards from any business on the network. So even though a user might have earned the points from visiting your store or sharing your brand page on Facebook, they could then take those points and redeem them for a gift certificate at a different store. This also means that users who haven't directly interacted with your services could find you on this marketplace. So let's look at the interface. The Mplifyr dashboard is a little overwhelming when you first open it up. You have some basic info about your company here on the left. Then there's a navigation bar down the middle where you can see more details, analyze your transactions, your analytics, look at your engagement, and see the plugins that you're using. And then that info is displayed on the very right-hand side. If we click Build at the top, we can begin to set up a program. We can buy some universal points, which are essentially Mplifyr's currency on this platform, and we'll need those if we want to give out any type of rewards to users. We can also create redemptions for either cash or items that we sell or create, and users can then spend their points on these. What's kind of cool is that when users spend points at our store, we'll get them back and we can use those points again to give out to new customers. So it really is like an inclusive currency. We can also create rewards here. There's a few default options, such as rewarding them for purchases, giving discounts, rewarding for referral activity, or clicking on a certain link, or we can create a custom one to reward really any action we want. If we click on one of these, we can see some info about how this specific module works. And we can choose some options such as how exactly we want to distribute the points. So we can do fixed points for a minimum amount. Then we can choose whether anyone on the Mplifyr network can redeem this or take advantage of this discount, whether just people in our VIP club can, or maybe just our employees. Finally, we can then specify the currency, and we can specify the amount of the offer. And then we can choose a date for how long this will run. We can have it repeat every month if we want, and we can save it for later, publish it, or preview it. This preview is what it would look like on their system if we were to publish it right now. So for every purchase over $15, it would give them 75 universal points. Mplifyr has a pretty extensive platform, and there's a lot of features that we still haven't touched on, but hopefully this has given you a basic understanding of their platform and how you would go about creating a simple rewards program for your customers. Mplifyr might be a little overwhelming for some companies, especially if you're looking for an all-in-one, very cohesive type system. However, companies that want to build their own program from scratch and custom tailor pretty much every aspect should enjoy the flexibility of this platform. If you'd like to learn more about gamification, or are thinking of implementing a loyalty program for your own business, visit TechnologyAdvice.com, where you can find reviews of gamification providers, use the Smart Advisor tool to help find a perfect match, or talk to a real live person about your needs, all at no cost. Thanks for watching this walkthrough of Mplifyr's online customer engagement platform.